Hoff Digital reporting to you live from the top of the Hoff here in downtown Boise, Idaho. Happy Friday from all of us here at Socialized Marketing. Today our topic is going to be talking about the different things that public relations team has to offer you. Here are some of the main services that a public relations specialist has to offer you and your company. Number 1, brand building to give you a unique brand that is custom to you and your company's needs. Number 2, reputation management to make sure your rep is always staying in a positive place. Number 3, media relations to manage all of your overall presence on the web and on social media platforms. Number 4, content creation that is customized to your brand and company services. Finally, the consultants and leadership training skills that we also have to offer. For more information on different services of public relations, make sure to check out all of our social media platforms or go check out our public relations page on getsocialized.com. Happy Friday and have a great weekend.